Hi guys, so in this section we'll discuss about conditional statement and we'll discuss if statement here. Okay, so to define I define different method functions in that, so we'll discuss one by one with all the conditions. So if is nothing but a conditional statement. When we putting a condition under this bracket, if this condition is true, the thing inside this braces, curly braces, will get executed. Okay, so this if statement, then if food equal, this equal to is not a assignment operator, is a comparison operator. Okay, so it compare these two value. If these two values are equal to, then it will run this thing. If it's not equal to, it won't print anything. Okay, so I written a function called function if test1 and I written everything. So now execute let's execute this thing. I'm calling if test1. Okay, here at down. Okay, so now go and so here go to HTML file and run in Chrome. See, we ate apple. That is the statement will come here. We'll see this. Okay, we ate apple. Sorry, we ate apple. Okay, now if this condition, suppose we change, like if food is grapes, okay, then it should print this, but here we assign to apple, so this nothing will get print out because this is condition is false. Okay, it's written true, is written false. So let's execute this also. So call this if test function 2 and run it again. So nothing is executed. Okay, now we'll go next function. What function 3 is telling? So right now we discuss about if only. Now there's one more else statement is there. If this condition is false, then else will get executed. Okay, so if food not equal to go to grapes, it should go to else statement and else statement get executed. Okay, so see, if and else. Okay, so else always come with if it's not there, else won't come. Okay, so this is function test3 function. We write function, let's execute this and go to this, run in Chrome. See, we add something else. Okay, so else statement get executed. Now we'll discuss, like there's one more condition called if else if, the multiple condition we want to put. Okay, so we go to test 4. If this condition is not true, it will go to else if, and again it's compare the condition. If this condition is true, then you will execute this statement, otherwise it won't execute anything. Okay, so let's run this test 4. Okay, and go to this and run in Chrome. So we add grapes. Okay, so that way we've done this thing. And the one more thing is there, we can put a multiple conditions. So we go here and we go to function 5. See, there's a if else if else if, so we can put multiple conditions and then at last we are putting else. If anything is, all these condition are false, then it will execute this else statement. So let's run 5th and just go and run. So we add banana. Okay, the banana condition is true. Here we can just see once again. So this third condition is true, so it's executing this thing. So that way we can use if statement. Thank you.